This male antelope shows off an elegant, rhythmical walk, a fascinating natural dance.
Out. Oh my word. Hey, come back, Owen! Come back!
This massive landslide occurred in Pennsylvania, a stunning display of nature's unstoppable force.
Just how much faster is a cheetah than a leopard? You're about to find out. Watch this incredible time-lapse video of rolling shelf clouds sweeping over Barcelona Beach, Spain. Oh man, other kids play with toys. This legend plays with a monster. Clouds filled the sky as panicked tourists scramble for safety. A dramatic display of nature's raw and unpredictable power.
A shocking moment captured on dashcam. A powerful 7.4 magnitude earthquake strikes Taiwan, triggering a deadly landslide. In seconds, rocks and debris come crashing down, leaving drivers trapped in a race against disaster.
Riders ready, watch the gate.
2nd, 2025, Europe's largest and most active volcano, Mount Etna, suddenly erupts on the east coast of Sicily.
Big plug on it! Oh my God!
Давай. Тыкай.
Take a look at this unbelievable moment in Russia.
Нихуя себе. Вот так, вот и все, и ты на той стороне. И ты на той стороне. Мужик, эй!
Мужик! Уходи!
Трещина пошла!
Ohne Worte, ohne Worte, ohne Worte, ohne Worte. Ohne Worte. I got splashed by him. You get that? Oh. Oh my God.
What are you doing? What are you doing? That's an oarfish. Holy shit. The vehicles are blowing! Holy huh?
This terrifying moment was captured in China when a massive avalanche came crashing down the mountain, Tourists were left scrambling for their lives as the snow engulfed the valley in seconds. China built this 50-meter inflatable dome to reduce dust and noise pollution during major construction projects. Take a look at the
sheep dipping, a vital method used to protect sheep from parasites like ticks, lice, and flies.
Just running.
Holy shit.
A rare and shocking scene from nature. This mother centipede sacrifices herself, becoming the first meal for her newborn babies.
Oh, no way.
This unexplained event left everyone stunned. I think this could be caused by trapped gases and water pressure beneath the soil. Founding moment in a South African safari park. This massive elephant charges straight at a truck packed with tourists. A point ever recorded.
Yeah.
This massive oarfish, often linked to deep-sea mysteries and legends, was discovered near the shore, leaving everyone in awe. Look at these massive crabs. Found in Australia, these crabs can grow up to 3.3 feet in length. This incredible moment episode. The eruption lasted nearly 8 hours, a stunning display of nature's power. This massive plastic bag is filled with smoke from just one burn to show how much pollution it causes. On June 20th, 2025, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted. Take a look at this incredible bird, the ribbon-tailed nightjar, with its unique long tail feathers. This nocturnal is almost impossible to spot in the dark, blending perfectly with its surrounding.
But now we're gonna stick it to this wall. Takes a couple seconds to suck on there. And now he's stuck on there.
Watch this. Snakes slither across a road at
Has this suction cup. It has these little grooves in it and it helps it stick to the back of sharks like that so they can tag along. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool.
rest his head. He's just sleeping in midair. This sea cucumber launches its own guts as a defense and amazingly grows them back.
Está llegando el huaico, primera vez que veo esta cantidad de agua. ¡Ay, mamacita, mira, ya lo tumbó al árbol! ¡Lo tumbó al árbol!
Soul says comedy.
Oh my god.
This powerful flood occurred in Peru, sweeping away a massive wall of wood and debris, surging through the river with unstoppable force.
She screamed so loud, the baby took his very first steps.
I guess there's a first time for everything. There is officially a sea otter on my canoe who just...
Mírala, mírala, mírala. Nos ha tocado con la cola.
In Taiwan, an unexpected sinkhole opens up, swallowing a parked car caused by unauthorized construction.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Hey! Hey!
Watch this stunning moment. Earth rising over the moon. Captured by Japan's spacecraft in April 2008. A rare and beautiful view of our planet from space.
Sabine!
One more.
Everything in its path
Esa puta moto se salvó. Esa puta moto se salvó.
sending debris crashing down onto a parking lot.
Holy crap! Oh my god!
Holy crap!
After relentless rains, a massive landslide unleashed torrents of mud and debris, tearing through this village and sweeping away. This time-lapse shows how the Llano River rapidly overflowed its banks.
my gosh, just look at it.
It's not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
This incredible sight showcases a rare mud volcano, a fascinating natural phenomenon. In Belize, heavy rain pours on one side, while just a few feet away, it's completely dry. A stunning display of nature's
This rare tornado was caught twisting violently over South Dakota, one of several that struck near Lake Cochrane and Toronto.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Fotinha agora. Tá caindo as pedras. Olha lá. Nossa Senhora.
Thanks for watching.